How to disable sensitive contents on Instagram. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. To disable sensitive contents on Instagram, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So first thing first, open your Instagram app. Now go to your profile. To do this, on bottom right hand side of your screen, you will find your profile picture. So tap on it. Now on top right hand side of your screen, you will find these three horizontal lines. So tap on it. Now simply scroll down all the way to bottom until you find content preferences. So scroll down. So once you find content preferences, tap on it. And then here on middle of your screen, you will find this option sensitive content. So tap on it. So there is no direct way to turn it off. But what you can do is you can minimize the sensitive content that you see on your feed. So what you need to do is tap on this less icon. And then you will see this pop up see less sensitive contents. So tap on confirm. So by doing this, you will be successfully able to disable sensitive contents on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.